Hello guys, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In the previous video we learned about the basics of how to resize a window, how to create a label widget and a basic button. So in this video we'll be moving on to creating a simple registration form. This is the first video of it and we'll begin with it. So this is from the previous video. So this will be a basic code required for a basic window. So let's change the title to a registration form. Okay, let's resize it 500 into 500 and first of all we'll provide a function to it. So function print enter and we'll just print something into the console. And another function for quitting out of the window. So define exit 1 and we'll be using the exit method. So these are the two functions which we'll be calling when we click a particular button within the window which we'll be creating, that is the login and exit option. So let's move on to the GUI part. So first of all we'll create a label. That is label 1 is equal to label, provide the argument window comma text is equal to first name, then the first name it will be registration form. It will be like a heading kind of thing. Then we'll provide some styling to it. We'll leave is equal to solid comma with option is equal to 20 comma provide some font is equal to Arial, '19 comma and bold. Okay, now we'll use the place dot place x is equal to 90 and y is equal to 53. Now we'll create another label 2 is equal to, we'll just copy it from here, paste, and we'll just change the text to the first name. And we'll just change the size, that is 10, and we'll just remove this Arial or just keep it, no problem. Then label 2 dot place x is equal to 80 and y is equal to 130. The positioning is actually depends upon the user preference, so change it as your requirement. I will just use another label that is for the last name. Copy this entire thing and paste it over here, and just name that variable as 3. Change over here to say it as last name. Solid, we don't need solid for this, so change or remove this solid for both of these labels. So let's see how it looks. So as you can see, this is a basic, so the spelling is wrong. I'll just change it over here. Registration for last name. Okay, so let's see. Where is the error? So for the first name, we'll use it as for the last name we'll use it as 180. Let's check this again. So as you can see, first name and the last name, two labels are created. The 9, it will be more linear. So these are two labels. Now just let's create two buttons. Sorry, B, or just name it as B1 is equal to button window, the first argument, comma, the text which you need, that is login, and provide width to it. Sorry, width is equal to 12, and provide some foreground and background. Background is equal to brown and foreground is equal to white. And we'll just mention a new argument, that is command, to call the function which we have already created over here. So these functions, that is print and exit, will be called in this button method. So provide command is equal to, so what we are looking over here is that we want to now print something in the console, that is over here, by clicking onto the login button. So just place the print method, that is like this, and just place the button somewhere. The b1 dot place, that is x is equal to 150, comma y is equal to 380. Around 380 will be good. And let's create another button for exit. Just copy this one and paste, rename it as 2, and just change the coordinates of it. So for here we'll provide x as 280. so it will not overlap. 80, and change the command over here too and mention it as exit 1. So you don't need to provide these brackets when you mention these commands into the button. So this is the code, and let's see what is the output. So as you can see, first name and the last name are the two labels, and here we have created login, and sorry, this is also login. So let me just change this. And name it as quit. Sorry, quit. So let's rerun this. So now it is correct. So these are the two buttons, login and quit. And let's see what actually happens when this button are clicked. So when I click login, the console comes with an output that is demo Tkinter. So the code was correct, and let's quit. Press on to the quit. So the window is been exited. So the purpose of this video is fulfilled. And so in this video we learned about how to create a basic structure of a registration form with a banner, labels, and two buttons. So thank you.